What's up, everybody? It's me here, Minty Wolf, along with Cam for another video rating fidgets.
Yeah, with puppets. Here's the puppet. I love it. One side of these is very easy to pop, and then the other is harder.
Yeah, puppets are one of my favorite fidgets.
Toss this into the end of this. Let's see. Let's try this.
Yeah, the puppets.
These
solid.
These
that
are
one's a lot harder to squeeze. This
Yeah.
one's easier. I used to do my grip workouts with these, but then I got a actual gripper.
Ow. Yeah, by the way, it's about 7 out of 10. This is 5 out of 10 puppets.
I give the puppets like a 7 out of 10. These I give also 7 out of 10. Now this is awesome because it's a puppet bracelet.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can actually get it on here.
Just gotta fix my mask curls. We're not rubbing a bank. I promise.
Yeah, there it is. Got it on.
Yeah, me too. My mask is malfunctioning. Okay, we're just gonna take 3 of these stim mags to make it fast.
So
I like these. They're good.
they're really expensive, but they're awesome.
Yeah.
Stim mags, fidget magnets. These are.
8 out of 10. Take this.
I just started doing a rating and packing these up.
I love how squishy these guys are.
I completely agree with those ones.
Oh my gosh, the noise they make.
They're a little small though, is the only downside to those ones, so
I'm gonna give them an 8 out of 10. I'm a tough critic here, but like, yeah, you could.
yeah, I mean I give those a 5.5, 6 out of 10.
The star is pretty okay. I like the way. I don't like it.
I really like the
2 out of
grip
10.
on the star, how you can grab it like that.
So it still gives a satisfying noise and you can squish it really quickly.
This one is bigger than those other little ones, so I give this
Oh
one.
my gosh, I love this one
7 out
because
of 10.
look what you can do. You can turn it into a little coffee cup.
Yeah, you can twist that in so many ways.
I like to take it out and all.
One thing you may not have known, you can actually take it off like that.
So I was just saying,
Snap it back on.
ooh, I love the way these. They're like, it's like a little caterpillar.
Yeah, you wanna see something else you can do with that?
You know, I got
Helicopter, helicopter. 9 out of 10. I'm better. I am better. I am better.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 for bouncy balls.
I love these.
This is a mix between a fidget spinner and a poppet. There's tons of poppet remakes. I fish with bait casters a lot, so I have taken apart the reels and I make a repair kit. But I have a lot of reel handles that make good reel things. So
Yeah. We're already ready for this one.
yeah, you can just like
Yeah, take these. You already ready for these?
bouncy balls again.
Yeah. I hate this mask.
I don't even know where that bouncy ball went. Oh, we'll cover it after the end of the video.
I love this.
Fidget spinner.
Oh, I love this squishy. I have a ton of these. I have like 20 in a bag.
It's a little chicken duck.
Dice.
Dice squishy. I think it landed on 2, by the way.
That's a bad D&D roll. Well, we're not. Well, we're done, guys.
Because
JK.
2 is the amount of subscribers I lost today. That's a reminder, subscribe if you want to see more awesome videos like this.
Yeah. You know, if I'm looking at you viewers, I can see like so many of you with this thing. Look at it. It's.
Yeah, what you looking at there? What you looking at?
Technically a phone screen
You're looking at
cleaner, but.
Are you looking at that subscribe button? Or did you press it? Did you click that big red button?
Oh, no! Won't be red for long if you click it. Now stop telling them to subscribe. You're annoying them.
See how many?
You guys are annoying. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that thing cool?
Yep. But please like and subscribe to the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get back to this. Okay, this is an
classic.
Guys, can we talk about the squishy? It's so easy to squish. Don't put those. Don't put those in the bin. Those are mine. Sunscreen cleaner.
You can open up it.
I
There's
love
something
that.
else inside of it. There's a little rag inside of it. No, here. Or no, you got it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. This is a phone screen cleaner, right? Yep. My sunglasses are a phone.
Cleany.
I can see you guys up better now. Okay. Can I have my squishy and magic thing? It's not magic. It actually comes from a light, I think, that we got, right?
It was a little magnifying glass style thing that let you see what flies see, essentially.
No, it didn't. That's not what it is. It comes from a light. Actually, that broke.
Bye guys, see you next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and well, have yourselves a good day.